Hello, I'm Mike with Lene Insurance. If you can imagine, we've had a lot of calls this morning regarding the earthquakes that are happening right here and around Oklahoma City. Most of the callers are asking relatively the same questions. What is earthquake coverage? What does it cover? How much does it cost? Can I get earthquake coverage at this point? So that's what this video is designed to do, is to answer those questions so that you can make an informed decision on whether or not you need earthquake coverage, and then also you can pass it along to your friends so that they can make an informed decision as well. Now, if you're in Oklahoma, you probably fall into two schools of thought. Some people in Oklahoma feel that the chance of having an earthquake that damages their property is so slim that they decide not to get earthquake coverage. The other group in Oklahoma probably feels that just in case that small chance happens to them, they want to make sure something is in place to protect their property. Both schools of thought are perfectly understandable, and I would say both are actually correct. It's just what you feel comfortable with is what you can do from this point forward. So the calls that are coming in, they're asking just a few quick questions. So I'm going to answer those right now for you. The first thing they ask is what is covered, and that's very important because all earthquake policies are actually covered a little bit different, are actually handled a little bit differently. Some earthquake policies cover not much at all. So they don't cover sheetrock, they don't cover brick, they don't cover the foundation, they may not cover plumbing leaks after an earthquake. You might ask yourself, then what's the point? And that's a very good question. Those policies tend to be very inexpensive, maybe $30 a year, something like that. But they really don't cover what you need covered in the event of an earthquake. There are other policies out there, like the one that we offer, that covers absolutely everything. Whether you have a crack in the sheetrock, a crack in the brick, chimney falls over, or a crack in the foundation, any damage that happens from the earthquake is covered under the policy that we offer. The prices are a little bit higher because of that, though. It's the Cadillac of policies. The second question a lot of people ask are, what about the deductible? The deductibles on earthquake policies do run a lot higher. Where a standard homeowner's policy may have a $1,000 or $2,000 deductible, an earthquake policy may have a 2%, 5%, or 10% deductible. What I mean by that is, let's say you have a $200,000 house. If you have a 5% deductible, then your deductible at the time of an earthquake would be $10,000. If you have a 10% deductible, then your deductible at the event of an earthquake would be $20,000. That's one main reason why a lot of people in Oklahoma and even in California don't have earthquake coverage, because the chances of there being an earthquake that close to them that causes $20,000 in damage are very slim, so they don't feel it's necessary to purchase earthquake insurance for that very slim chance. Again, that's up to you whether you agree or disagree. So the deductibles are going to run a lot higher. 2%, 5%, or 10% deductibles are very common. The third question a lot of people ask are, what about the prices? Again, on that policy that we were talking about that doesn't cover a whole lot, the prices are going to be very low, $30 a year. But it gives those people maybe the peace of mind to think that they've got earthquake coverage, and that's fine. The other option, again, that we offer is the Cadillac of policies. It's going to run between $100 and $300 a year, depending on the deductible, depending on the amount of coverage that we offer. Again, it's going to run between $100 to $300, but every single thing is covered on that policy. It is the very best. The fourth question a lot of people ask is, can I get earthquake insurance at this point? As we know in the past, typically after an earthquake has occurred, there is a moratorium put in place. That has been put in place on this earthquake as well. So for the next 30 days, it's very difficult to find earthquake insurance. Let me rephrase that. It's very difficult to find good earthquake insurance that's going to cover what you need covered. But if you're interested in adding earthquake insurance for the future, just either give us a call or send us an email, and we'll put you on a list to start that right when the 30-day moratorium is up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to call or go to our website at leneinsurance.com. You can also find us at Facebook at facebook.com/Lene Insurance Group. Ask questions, and we'll definitely respond back right away. So hope you have a great week, and we'll be talking with you all very, very soon. Thank you.